I know we're about a week into the new year already, but I really want to try something new. A lot of the time I'll go to film something, whether it's a makeup tutorial or just getting ready for the day, and I'll go and I'll edit it and look back on it, and I don't post it because I feel silly. It's not what I would consider to be perfect, or I worry too much about if you guys will like it or what the comments are going to be like. Are they going to be mean or are they going to be supportive? A lot of this fear kept me for so long, posting as often as I want to. I want this year to be different. I have such a passion for makeup that I feel like I'm wasting simply because I'm fearful. This year, I really want to challenge myself. I want to post every single day. I don't even care if I like it. That's not the point. The point is just creating and sticking to it and disciplining myself. Practicing makeup every day is only going to make me better. So putting my fear aside, I want to post every day for a year and just see what happens.